Killers, jackals, murderers, assassins, all die for the greed. They don't give a fuck about animosity. They down for whatever. They all killers. They jackals. They hair busters. They dope dealers. The blood splitters. They don't give a fuck what you say down here in the South, nigga. That's all day. 187 on a crooked cop all day. No, never giving a fuck, nigga. What it do? We coming through. We banging on the screw. We left out, fifth rear recline too. We don't give a fuck, we Cadillac in the fold. We don't give a fuck, we never been a hoe. At a young age, niggas what it do? We coming through, staying true. Locked up on the motherfucking nines. We don't give a fuck, that's one more time. On the wall, a clock tell the time. It's telling me it's time to rob now. Gooned out, graveyard. I don't give a fuck, nigga, that's the very start of a young nigga in the game. He coming up, he trying to get his name, but he don't know how to chill with the real niggas. He's always scared, he's in the corner. He trying to grab the Glock, tell his homeboys, nigga, fuck the cops. But when he do his first kick though, he don't give a fuck. Now he's grown in the fucking H, man. Now he's saying what the fuck it do. All tatted up, saying so true. We don't give a fuck around here, Southwest Texas, nigga. And we don't give a fuck, nigga. We leave tears in your face, cause we take your family out like faster than you can say what it is. In this crooked world, we don't give a fuck, cause we getting money, man. All about the money and all about the chain. We smoke it up to feel so good. We don't give a fuck, it releases stress. But we don't give a fuck, cause we know we blessed. Up in the game, nigga, it's one time. You gotta think about it. Up to God, He gave your life to you, that's from the start. So do right in the game. Don't get crooked, nigga, and don't fuck up your name. Cause you know, in the game you only got one life to live. And now we coming back. This is Southside Texas in this bitch. EJG, that's for show, nigga. I'm in the dough, 5'9", hazel eyes, tan skin. We don't give a fuck, that ain't no joke. We coming up, I don't give a fuck, I'm 22. Coming in the game, nigga, staying so true. I know I ain't big, but I'm gonna get to the top. I don't give a fuck, I say fuck a cop. Look, I grab my Glock every day. I step out the door, starch down Frank. I don't give a fuck, I got my Dickies, man. Got my motherfucking Glock 9, man. Got it on my hip, ready to unload. Talk shit, nigga, and get your ass blowed. I don't give a fuck, I straight pimp hoes. I don't give a fuck, 5'9" for show. And I'm coming up, and now I'm doing things. EJG in this bitch, man. Look, I don't give a fuck. At a young age, I was in the fucking gangs. The blue, I don't give a fuck. I ride with the red, cause they know I'm real till I'm dead. I don't give a fuck what you say. I'm a real nigga, and that's all day. 187, a murderer, a killer, an assassin, an untamed nigga. I don't give a fuck, I get raw, and now I'm coming back. You fix to see what I'm gonna do. I'm straight like a G, niggas know me. I'm in the hood, 4C to the top, would it be? Man, my homeboy doing 12 years, that's fucked up, nigga. I don't know, but that's not for show. Look, I got a cousin going through the same thing he is, and I don't know why God's taking all my motherfucking homies and my cousins away, cause they don't know why they gotta do their life right. Look up the sky, don't give a fuck. We blaze presidential when we say what's up. We raw in this bitch, we don't give a fuck. We raw in this motherfucking Southside, that's what's up. Southwest in my motherfucking hood, I don't give a fuck, nigga, stay under fucking stood. Look, I'm hanging off that motherfucking 6. Got my Glock 9 on West Belfort. Coming back, I don't give a fuck. I hang with the real niggas and I say what's up. We got the lean in the Sprite, mix it up all night, cause we know we got the Ciroc in our blood. We sip until we don't give a fuck.